Hello friends, this is Harmeet from theming.com, and friends, in previous video we have learned how to install WooCommerce in our dashboard and how to make its initial setup. So friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to create products and product category in our dashboard. So friends, in products we will cover how to create a normal product and a sales product, and at the last we will learn how to create variable products, and also we will learn how to create the categories of those products. So friends, you can see this is our dashboard, and to create product we have to navigate to products link, and here we will check our available products in our dashboard. So we have just installed WooCommerce, so there will be no product in our dashboard, and either you can click on the create product button or you can go to add new link here to create your products. So I'm just clicking on this create product button, and now we will first create a normal product in our dashboard. So friends, this is our panel to create product. So first I am just creating a product with the name of blue jeans, as we have already decided or in previous video that we are creating a clothing website. So I have just selected a blue jeans product, and here I am writing the main description of my product text, because I will explain you where this main text will be appear in our product page. And you can see there is a option to add product short description. So here I am giving you short description of product, so it will display in the shop page, or we can say this is in the sales page. So friends, this is the name of the product, this is the main description of the product, and this is the short description of the product. Now friends, we have to add the image for our product. So we will navigate to product image section, and here we will set product image. So friends, you have to click on the upload file tab here and select image from your local PC. So I have already downloaded some images. You can add your own images in your product. So this is my jeans product, and I am just selecting this product for my product page. Friends, here if you want to add alt text for your image, then you can add alt text here, and then click on the set product image button, and then you can see this is the image of our product is uploaded now. Friends, now we have to create a category of the product. So as you can see, this is the product category section in our product page. So I have already created a clothing category, and if you want to create a new category, then you can click on the add new category, or also you can create categories from here. So just I am going to give you some example. So click on the add new category and click here and write click on the add new category button. Now friends, you can see our jeans category is created and it is selected. Also you can select multiple categories for a product. Suppose if you want that this is a clothing category also, then you can select this clothing checkbox also. And now we have to give the price of the product. So our price of the product will be available here. You can see this is a simple product, and you can give the regular price of a product. Suppose this is for $15, and now our price is set. If you have any sales price, then you can add sales price here. I will be explain you in the later part of the video when we will learn how to create a sales product. And now you have to click on the publish button. Friends, now our product is published, and now we will navigate to pages section and click on the all page link, and now we will go to our shop page and see how our product is showing to our website. So just click on the view button and we will check our product. So friends, as you can see, this is our blue jeans product which we have all created just now, and when you click on the link, then it will redirect us to single page of that product. And friends, you can see this is the name of the product and this is the image of the product, You can increase or decrease the quantity of product from here. And friends, you can see this is the short description of product which we have mentioned in our edit page. And below, when you scroll down, you can see this is the main description of the product. So this is the reason I have written this text, so that you can differentiate where you can see the main product, main description, and you can see the short description of the product. And you can see these are the categories which we have selected, and when you click on the add to cart, then product will be added in your cart. So friends, this is the simple product we have created. Now we will going to create a sales product in our WooCommerce product section. So just go to add new link here, and we are just going to create another product. So friends, we are going to create another product with the name white shirt, and again we are going to give the description, main description, and this is the short description, and again we have to add the product image. You can upload it from your local PC. After uploading image, you have to click on the set product image button here, and your image will be visible here. Now we have to select the categories. So I'm just selecting the clothing categories for this product, and now we have to set the price of the shirt. First we have to set the regular price. Suppose we have decided this product will be in $12, and now we have to select the sales price of that product. One thing you have to remember, this is the sales price always will be smaller than the regular price. So now our sales price is of $10, and likewise you can create more products which you are going to add in the sales, or you can edit your previous product or older product and give the sales price here. And now we are going to publish this product, and it will be added in our sales product. Now again we are going to check our product in our shop page. Just click on the view link, and it will show another product in our shop page. So friends, you can see our white shirt product is created, and we have added this product as a sales. So sales tab is showing in our product, and when you click on this product, it will redirect us to single page. So friends, this is the simple product, and this is the sales product we have created. Now we will learn how to create a product with variation, or we can say this is a variable product. Friends, if you are selling a t-shirt with different size and colors, so we have to decide the price of each size and the color of each size of a product. So this product is known as a variable product, where we can sell different size and different colors of product in a same single page. So just navigate to your dashboard and click on the add new button. Here I am going to create a product with the name t-shirt, or we can give round neck t-shirt, and here again we are going to write main description, and again we are going to write here short description. Now we have to initially give the default product image of our t-shirt. So we are going to select a red color t-shirt here. It will be showing as a default color, and now we have to select a category of product. So I am just selecting the clothing category. You can create another category if you want to add it in another category. Now in the product data section here, you have to select the variable product option from the drop down, and now after that you have to go to attribute section, and we have to create some attributes of that products. Suppose we are giving this product in different color and in different size, so I am just going to click on the add button and it will allow us to add some attribute. So first of all, I am going to create color attribute. Here I am going to sell t-shirt with red color, and now I am going to add another color. This is a green color, and then again differentiate with the help of this sign and add a blue color, and again add a black color. Now friends, after giving the color of the t-shirt, you have to select the checkbox used for variation. This will define that this product will work as a variable product, and click on the save attribute button. After that, we are going to create another attributes, that is the size of the t-shirt. So click on the add button, and again we are going to create another attribute. This is, and again we are giving the value of size. Suppose this is a small size, and then medium size, and then large size, and then XL size. Again we are going to check this checkbox used for variation and click on the save attribute button. Friends, now we have created our attributes, and now we have to navigate to variation tab. Here you can see this is the variation tab. We will click here and add the variations of our t-shirt. If you want, you can add it manually for your t-shirt, or if you want that WooCommerce automatically generate all the available combination of your t-shirt, then you can select the drop down from here and click on the create variation from all attributes. So I'm just selecting this option and click on the go button, and it is giving some message. You can read this message and click on the OK button. Now we have got this message that 16 variation added related to our attributes available. So click on the OK button and it will show all the variations for our product. You can see we have a red t-shirt with small, medium, large and XL size. We have a green t-shirt with a small, medium, large and XL size. We have a blue t-shirt with a small, medium, large and XL size, and a black t-shirt. So now we have to give the image for each variation and products price for each variation. So just click on the drop down arrow here and you have to select the image for the product and its price. Suppose we have a red t-shirt here, so we are going to select a red t-shirt from our media library and click on the set variation image. Also we have to give the price for the product, and this is the price of the product, and just go to another product and give the price and image also. So I am just doing it. Now after creating all the attributes and variation, we have to click on the save changes button. Then it will save all the settings of our product. Now friends, after creating all the variations, we have to click on the publish button and our product will be published. Now friends, again we are going to check our product in our shop page. So just I am going to refreshing this page, and you can see our round neck t-shirt product is available here, and it is showing that this product is a variable product whose price varies from $10 to $13. So when we are going to check this product in the single page, you can see this is our red color t-shirt which we have decided as a default image of our product. Now we have to choose the color and size of the product, and then it will automatically change the color of t-shirt here. So when you select the green color and choose the size of the t-shirt, that is the medium size, and you can see our green t-shirt is now visible here. And again you can see this is the short description, and this is the main description of the product, and you are seeing these related products because these are of the same category, which is the clothing category. So Also friend, one thing I would like to explain you that I have decided that green color t-shirt I am going to sell in $11, so it automatically selected as $11. And if you check that I have selected black color t-shirt as a $13 price, so you can see it automatically change the price to $13. And when you select the red t-shirt, then it will automatically change the price to $10. So friends, this is the video how we can create the products in our WooCommerce website. So if you have any issue related to video, then you can comment me below and I will help you with that. And friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification of my latest videos. Friends, thanks for watching my video.